Hey guys, it's Jackie here and I am back with another hair tutorial, and the reason why you guys clicked on this video, DIY box braids. This process is going to be super easy and really anyone can do it. So let's go ahead and get started. The products that I'm going to be using are Coconut and Manoi Deep Moisture Milk Souffle by Design Essentials. You guys know I love that brand. And I'm also going to be using Softy Signature Beeswax, and that's just going to help seal my ends and condition just like it says on the container. So the first thing that I'm going to do, and probably the longest part of this whole process, is parting my hair and figuring out which way I want my hair to lay down, where I want my parts at, if I want a middle part, side part. And also, because I let my hair air dry overnight, I did not blow dry it. It kind of packed down, so parting it is a little bit more difficult because it is not 100% stretched out. Okay, you guys, I finally figured out how I was going to part my hair, so I'm just going to show you the process of putting in the product as well as putting the rubber bands in my hair. So I'm starting off with some of the Moisture Milk Souffle and just moisturizing and distributing that into the hair, going in with a wide tooth comb and detangling just because I did let my hair air dry, so because of that there's going to be a little bit more tangles in it than normal, so I don't want that to be there once I put the actual hair in. Now around my edges, I'm just going to put some of the beeswax, a very small amount of beeswax around the edges of my hair so that it lies down once I put the rubber band in. Okay, now before I put my rubber band in, I'm just smoothing my hair down with an edge brush, and I don't really know what the actual name of it is or where I exactly got it from, but it was some beauty supply store. Anyway, I'm just putting in my rubber band in now, and I loop it about 5 times. I don't make it super tight to my scalp, and that's just a joy of doing your own hair, you guys. You can make your hair as tight as you want and as comfortable as you like, and you don't have to worry about any injuries to your scalp or any of your hair falling out. Once I put my rubber band in, I do pull my hair just a little bit so that my rubber band gets closer to my scalp, and then you guys are going to see me do that whole process all over again with another section. Okay, finally I am done. You can see that I have all my rubber bands in, and you can't even really see the rubber bands just because my hair is so thick. Here's the hair that I'm using today. It is an antibacterial braid hair, and there was no itch to it. I've never used this before, but it worked really well. Okay, this is where I'm at so far. I pretty much finished a little over half of my hair. It still looks like I have a lot more to go, but remember, my hair is thick and it's probably maybe only 15 more sections that I have to do. Here I am just showing you how I install the hair. I do this closer up to the front so that you can see a little bit better, so I'm not going to walk you through this part, but I do want you guys to notice how my parts are not super straight. Normally I wouldn't point something like this out, but honestly, if you are doing this style and you are pretty low maintenance like me, then don't worry about having super straight parts in the back of your hair. Like, that is just, it just adds more time to the style. But if you are one of those people that just absolutely have to have super straight parts and you want the style to look a lot neater, then I definitely would spend more time on making sure that my parts are straight. But for me, it doesn't really matter, so I don't care. Okay, so here I'm showing you how I tie the ends of my hair off, and it's just by making a little knot at the end of the braid using 2 small pieces of hair, and then you just knot it twice. Now, I actually did not have to do this because my hair is short now. Back in the day when I did this, my hair was really long and I had to knot it off, but because my hair is so short, once I dipped my ends, it actually sealed the hair anyway. Alright, I am down to the last 2 sections of my hair, and I'm going to show you how I install the synthetic hair into my hair. Before I get started, I am left-handed and I braid underhanded, so before you say that I'm braiding backwards, it's just a natural way of movement for my hands. I lead with my left hand, therefore I braid underhanded. Anyway, I take about 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick of synthetic hair and I lay it on top of the section of hair that I'm going to be braiding. I pull my hair up to the top, and then the 2 pieces of synthetic hair are at the bottom, and then I just start to braid. While you're braiding, make sure that you're pulling your hair tightly, all 3 pieces of hair tightly, so that the braid is secure and that it looks all nice and flat. Okay, so let's see that one more time. Put a little bit of moisture milk into the hair, then I detangle that section. You see me pull it to tighten the rubber band to my scalp, and then I'm going to get ready to put the piece of synthetic hair into my hair. Remember, this hair is about 1 inch to 1.5 inches thick. I lay the synthetic hair on top of my hair. I pull my hair to the top and the 2 synthetic pieces are underneath, and then I just start to braid. Alright, I have finally finished braiding my hair and it's time to finish it off, but I was in a rush so I couldn't record everything. But what I've done up to this point is I've dipped my ends in hot water, I've added some gel, and I tied my hair down because it is stiff once you braid it for the first time. I kind of combed out the ends to see how long they were, and I'm like, okay, I need to cut this. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to trim the ends off. And I also noticed that I did not need to tie off the ends to secure them because my hair is short. So I actually ended up going in and cutting those little hairs off so that it lays flat. I am so happy with the way that my hair turned out, y'all. This took me about 5 hours from start to finish, and it is very low maintenance. It was fast, it was cheap, it was easy, And if you use the rubber bands, y'all, it is like a foolproof method. I'm telling you, it is a definite go-to protective hairstyle. Okay, y'all, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. I have so many views, but not enough subscribers. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when I have new videos coming. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.